how to zoom images on Canva, magnifying glass effect on Canva. So if you want to zoom images on Canva, now this is a free account. I also have got a premium account, but I will show you how you can do it in the free version as well. So right here, let's say you have got a certain photos or anything as such, right? So I will simply go to the photo section over here, and I will make sure to add a random photo, like let's say a bee, and I will simply add them inside this particular project here. Now once I've added, well, let's say I want to add a magnifying glass effect to this particular section. So go to elements again and simply search for magnifying glass right here. Now you'll see many sort of graphics over here. Now you can see the most actually has got a pro version of it, but I will simply ask you to actually try to find the free version of it right here. So you can select any one basically, but I will simply choose, let's say, this one for the demo right here. Now once I've chosen this for the demo, right like this, what I will do is, here you can see a circle. So simply go ahead and search for circle frame. Then when you go to search for circle frame, you go to the frame section, you'll find circle frame. Make sure to simply add them right like this. Now that we've added both magnifying glass and this, we will actually again duplicate the picture that we have in the background. So press Ctrl D and then drag it inside that frame. Now as for this particular portion, you can zoom it to as big as you want. So right like here, you can see that you're being able to use the magnifying glass effect. Now I would recommend that you find a more realistic magnifying glass, by the way, because this one I just chose a 2D image from here, but you can find them on Google in PNG format and so on as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.